Microsoft have recently announced that they are going to be launching Windows 11, even though they said that Windows 10 would be the last operating system. Well, today on that Techo Guy, I'm going to be trying to mine on Windows 11 on my CPU to see if this can actually work. Stay tuned. Okay, so Microsoft have recently launched Windows 11 on their dev channel, and I am one of the insiders, so I got to get this development version early. At the moment, on my screen, you can see Windows 10. Now, Windows 10 is going to be my host, and my actual Windows 11 is running on the virtual box that you can see right here. Now, just to show you that this is Windows 11, I'm running this through VMware Workstation Player 15. I'm going to click on the start and I'm going to show you that this is Windows 11 and it's running version dev OS build 21996.1. Here I'm also going to open my task manager just to show you that I'm using the same CPU that I normally use, which is an i7-5820K CPU, and I've allocated 4 CPUs to the Windows 11 virtual machine here. So I've got 4 virtual processors right there at 3.3 gigahertz, and I'm using 1 socket. So that's going to use 4 cores and 4 threads. I've already done the preparatory work and I've assigned all the administrator rights and I've enabled huge pages since I'm going to be mining with xmrig. So I'm going to right click unMineable and run as administrator. Let's give that a second to come up. And once it's up, I can just now click on continue. I'm going to be mining on my CPU. Update miner file location is already populated. I'm going to be using the latest xmrig at the time of this video, which is version 6.13.1. I'm going to click on next. I've already populated my Dogecoin address here, and I'm going to be trying to mine Dogecoin on unMineable. I've put in a friend's referral code here as well to drop my pool fee from 1% to 0.75%. If you'd like to use my referral code, you can check out the description below, and I'm going to put in my referral code there so that you can drop your pool fee down by 0.25% as well. I'm going to click on start and let's see what's going to happen here.
12 seconds later.
There we go, we're getting around 1000 hashes per second on my 4-core CPU now. Now this is actually a 6-core CPU. I obviously could not allocate all of it to this operating system because I need to leave some for Windows 10 and the underlying operating system as well. So I've allocated 4 cores out of my entire 6. On the settings from unMineable here, you can see that I've set mine to high, and on task manager at the moment now it's using 100%, and this is because xmrig cannot differentiate between a virtual machine and the underlying host. But if I do actually check my task manager here on Windows 10, it's actually not using the full 100% and it's using around 60% like it normally would use when you're mining directly on the operating system. So here it's just using 100 because it can't really tell the difference. Now, if I just minimize this and close this and just go and check the stats on the site, give this a refresh, and here I can see that I'm doing a calculated hash rate of 1754, which is pretty good for a 4-core CPU. So I'm doing, the current hash rate here is saying that I'm doing 875, but actually on the pool, my calculated is 1754. I have noticed that on the unMineable app, sometimes the calculated hash rate here does take some time to show up. But if you actually check directly on the site, you can click the stats button here and just search for your address. And here I've generated a bit more Dogecoin as well. And here it's saying 1754. So here it does update quite fast as well. I'm under the random X tab because that is what I am currently mining, because I'm mining on my CPU. I will also be doing a video in the future showing my 5 GPU mining rig mining on Windows 11 as well, to see if that will work like it does work on Windows 10 as well, using the dev driver, which is the 470.5 driver, because I have an RTX 3060 version 1 card on my mining rig, and we'll see if we can get a hash rate similar to what I get on Windows 10 or even better. Now I'm just going to stop this for a second, and I'm going to minimize the browser here, and I'm going to close down the unMineable app. And just to show you through script, here I've created the scripts already. I've got one for Wink and one for Dogecoin. I'm just going to run the one for Dogecoin. It's going to work in a similar way. So here you can see that huge pages permission is granted, and here I've got the register values for Intel, which have been set successfully because I've set XMRig to run it as administrator like you would do on Windows 10 or Windows 7. So on Windows 11 it's exactly the same concept and exactly the same thing. And here if I just click on H, it's showing me that I'm getting 1183 current hash rate. At the pool it might be a bit more like we saw before. So here if I do search again, it hasn't built up yet, but it's still 1754. Do be patient with the unMineable website because it does take some time until this populates. So I'm just going to minimize this again, and you can see that this is actually starting to mine here. Here you can see that I'm getting accepted shares, and the current hash rate now is 1088. Now if I open the unMineable website here, I can see I've just currently gotten paid out as well, because this just reset. So payments here, I've got payments in progress because I had hit the threshold. Now I'm going to go back to workers, and here you can see the Windows 11 one. The other ones are the ones that I was trying before. So I'm just going to refresh this, and that updated now as well. And there is my calculated hash rate, which is the important hash rate that you need to calculate when you are calculating your profits. So it doesn't mean that here if I have a different hash rate, like for example 1088, it's going to be the same on the site. It might be lower or it might be higher. So currently it's saying here that my current hash rate is 1126, while on the site it's saying that it is 1027. So that is the calculated hash rate, and that is what I am going to get paid out in. The gist of this video is that it does work on Windows 11 just like it works on Windows 10. I have not seen an incredible increase or anything different from Windows 10 to Windows 11, but at least we know that it does work. At least I know for sure that it works on a CPU like it worked for Windows 10. So guys, I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Hit the like and leave me a few comments. This is a great community, so all my subscribers here do give their input, and that's very important so that we can all learn and grow together. I do thank you for taking the time in watching my videos, and until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.